A whistleblower just leaked something big, and it changes everything. Everyone thinks modern technology took off after Roswell, but that's only part of the story. What if I told you the real breakthrough came from something much older? They found ancient technology, not from aliens, but from forgotten civilizations. Free energy existed. It still does, but they won't let us have it. They keep us paying while they keep the truth hidden. If you're ready to uncover what's really going on, share this video, because the truth won't stay buried forever.